G'day guys, Mick Dan, Good Harvest Organic Farm. Happy World Environment Day, everybody out there. Unfortunately due to COVID, we couldn't have the festival this year, so we thought we'd do a quick little farm tour for you so you can experience our farm and what we believe in. Today I want to take you around to all the products that we grow and why we grow them and how we grow them, and just give you a bit of a sense of what we do here on the farm at Good Harvest Organics. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mauricio. I work for Good Harvest and my role is work at markets. You can see me, you can find me at Kawana Market and Nusa Market. But the best to work at Good Harvest is being here at the farm and face the products fresh like that. I like a lot. If you like, come to see me.
Ah, Busted! It's eating the strawberries.
I'm Rick. So I'm on the farm usually a couple of days a week, prepping beds, and then on Thursdays we'll harvest, and then we'll plant in the afternoon. So yeah, and then Friday I help to pack boxes. I used to do deliveries as well, but now we've changed that a little bit. And Saturdays you'll find me at Kawana Farmers Market. My favourite thing to do on the farm is probably harvest time, when we get to harvest things and clean them up, and just yesterday I picked a beautiful head of cos lettuce, and I reckon it was enough for 3 salads. So really satisfying stuff, and that's why I'm here, because it's, the day-to-day lifestyle is very satisfying, very fulfilling. So yeah, thanks.
No worries, thanks Rick.
Hello, my name is Natalie, and my role on the farm is to germinate and plant the seedlings, harvest, and just overall management of the herb garden and feeding, all things growing, really.
And what are you picking here, Natalie?
This is lemon balm.
We'll go in for some smell-o-vision. Smell that. Very good.
Hi, I'm Maggie. I pretty much do the same as Natalie on the farm.
What's your favourite place on the farm?
Eating strawberries.
That's why I have no strawberries. Nice one, thanks Meg.
Parsley, 2 types of parsley, 2 types of mint. We've got some chives, oregano, thyme, dill, pineapple sage, rosemary, regular sage. I think that's all of it.
Hi everyone, my name is Clement. I'm a chef. I met Mick a few years ago when I was working at Wasabi, and today I'm at Whiskey Boy. And during the COVID-19, I did want to have my knowledge to grow a bit better about vegetables, so to know where it comes from, how do we grow it, how do you maintain your paddock and stuff. So I've been here for a couple of months now, like probably a month and a half with Mick, and teaching me how to have this beautiful product like this shallot that we put in the ground like a month ago. So yeah, hopefully you will enjoy it one day if you take boxes from me.
What's your favorite thing we grow, Clemont?
The favorite thing you grow is probably your radishes, your shishito, or like they're perfect on the farm in the morning when they're like raw. Yeah, it's probably the two best ones that I like from you. You got the rakio, who is like a Japanese onion that you grow as well, or garlic, sorry. Yeah, that's probably some of my favorite. Your banana as well are pretty good. The wild tomato on side, like honestly everything is pretty good, guys. So it's hard to pick. But the radishes, like a couple of weeks ago, like they remind me when I was back home as a kid, and yeah, they were awesome.
Wonderful, thanks Clemont.
You're welcome.
The shallots that will be in the boxes today, lovingly prepared by our team. You can see they're loving it. A lot of work, these little onions. Each one has to be individually cleaned and sorted and then rubber banded for us to put into your boxes at home. This is the finished product and they look amazing. Here we're going to show you how we prepare our beds. So first of all, we'll clean out all, obviously we'll harvest everything that's in there, clean out all the weeds. Then we'll pull our mat back, we'll use this broad fork it all. Then we'll run the tilther over the top just to work up the soil a little bit on the top. And then we'll put our compost in and then back up the top with the tilther. Hi guys, so that's the end of our farm tour today. I hope you really enjoyed getting to know what we do on the farm here at Good Harvest. We've had a pretty productive day today. We've harvested a lot of things, we've planted a lot of things, you've seen how we prepare our beds and a number of different things that we do. We're very proud of what we do on the farm here, growing for you guys organically, and we're going to be here for a lot more years to come. So thank you very much for following us. We'll see you really soon. Bye.